Hey everybody, Bill, the Kansas Flamingo Chef. First, I want to apologize. I shot this video about 5 minutes ago, went back to review it, and realized my microphone wasn't working, so I had a silent movie. So we're here for another edition of the 12 Beers of Christmas from Costco. If you haven't seen these at your local Costco, they're running about 35 bucks. There's 12 500 milliliter German beers in here. 500 milliliters is roughly 16 ounces. And comes with a book and as well as a link to download an app so you can rate these beers as you go. The information on the beer we're drinking today is on the screen. Real quick, I want to show you the one that we did before. This was Miminger. This one today, I will say when I opened it, it smells like bread. And there is definitely a bread taste in my mouth right now. I think the one thing I was a little disappointed in was how quickly that head dissolves. Just doesn't have a whole lot of body to it. It's I gave this one a 3.8 on their rating scale. I've got a feeling I'm going to put this one closer to a 3.0. The flavor's okay. There is a lingering yeasty bread flavor, but the color is really nice. I mean, it's got a nice gold hue to it, as you can see, but it's really disappointing how quick that head went down. I mean, it kind of reminds me of like Budweiser, how fast that disappeared. And overall, I mean, it's a little too simple for my palate. It's not bad, it's just not good. And there's a kind of a flat beer mouthfeel to it. There's not a lot of depth. It's really, it's like a light lager kind of feel with just a little bit more bread flavor. It's not terrible. It certainly wouldn't be something I'd run out looking for. So that's however you pronounce this one. Herrnbrau, sorry. And we'll see you for the next one. Drink fabulous. Not so much.